Good morning, guys. It's going to be the best week of the year. This is the week of Christmas. I can't believe that Christmas is on Friday and New Year's is next week. Oh my goodness, 2021 is next week. So grateful. It's been such an amazing year. Anyways, skin is looking good today, really good. Anyways, this week I hope just brings amazing happy things, no sadness, no tears, no sorrow. So yes, I'm quite excited. So today, Monday, I have quite a lot of things lined up. I am heading for the Lancome podium, or rather heading to the Lancome event at the podium in the Palms, and then after that I'll be going to Landmark Beach with Faye. We just want to like chill. To be honest, we actually wanted to go there as early as 6 a.m. We just wanted to catch like sunrise and just like relax. If this is your first time here, please, I'd love to have you part of the gang, so please subscribe down below, click the notification bell. And yes, I would see you guys soon. So let's jump into my day. Anyways, first thing that I'm unboxing and I'm super excited to have is a new laptop. I'm so excited. It's so funny because before I ordered it, I wasn't like really trying to buy a laptop, but I've been using my old MacBook Air for 6 years. MacBook Air for editing. You guys know, bad combo. So yes, husband advised me to upgrade and I'm so happy. So let's unbox this, okay? Mado!
Cha cha.
Cha 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 cha. This is officially your field. I will not be partaking in setting up. Hey guys, so I am dressed wearing my outfit, like I said, Lavish Alice and Patricia Bright collaboration, and I'm currently about to head out to the Lancome podium, and then I'll be meeting up with Faye at the beach. But I'm loving the look that I went for today. I tried a different like concealer technique or concealer hack and I love it. Yes, so this is the vibe. Guys, so we are at Landmark Beach. Why are you taking yourself away? I wasn't ready, okay. Okay, so first of all, it was quite hectic getting here, Sha. Like the entire process was quite hectic, but yeah, we're here now and I'm just hoping that it becomes perfect. Bye! This is the real Faye Koya Kapsi. This is the Faye you don't see on Instagram. Feels 21. Oh wow, it feels so good. Ooh. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to this is not COVID, this is just stress. So yes, welcome to today's vlog. Oh, it's morning and I've not gotten my bearings, so I'm just off right now. But anyways, today is going to be amazing. I have a photo shoot. I want to create content just so that the way it's looking, the rest of the month is going to be very busy for me. So I just want to create content, knock that out of the way, so I know that I have content to post on Instagram, for instance. But yes, yesterday was absolutely amazing at the beach. It was quite hectic at first, but eventually it balanced out and it was fun. And I just finished having like a meeting, something I'm working on, very, very exciting. And now I will just have a smoothie and get ready for my shoot. Okay, I'm dressed. This is my first outfit, and this is from the Lavish Alice and Patricia Bright, and this is so lovely. I really love it. That's what it looks like. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. I wasn't sure how to put this. I just placed it anywhere, and yeah. This is from a Nigerian brand called Shop Iwade. You guys know I love their pieces. I bought I bought some from them the last time, and they were kind enough to send me this. I'll show you guys a full look, but I'm shooting now. Oh, I love. So where's this one?
Right? Do you want this to show?
No.
You just need the net.
Yes, I don't need. I just need the plant. See the way that plant is showing. Yes. Hey guys, so today's shoot is going amazingly well. Shout out to Idris, he's going to come soon. We can't see you.
Sun is gangster.
Hey guys, good morning. So it is the 23rd. Yeah, it's Wednesday, and I'm heading to my studio. I have a makeup appointment, and then I have some errands to run. Having a smoothie, quite big, but nice. So that's all for today. Skin is looking good. The glow is coming through. And there's traffic in Lagos. I really don't want to be caught out after a certain time today. Guys, I'm at the studio and Kira, my assistant, is hooking me up. Woo, woo. Ah, this is the best I've ever done. It has never even looked like before. Ah, and Kira, professional. What? Ooh, I like it. I guess I just don't know how to lay hair, because as you've done it now, it looks so good. Okay, and I have like my things here. I'm trying to do a quick video. Listen guys, I'm so last minute. Ask me why I'm only trying to do a YouTube video now about makeup. I'm trying to do like a tutorial. Inky, please help me turn on this camera. Other camera. I'm trying to do a makeup look. A festive inspired makeup. See, I have everything here. I'm going to be using red lipstick. I told them I want it very festive. Oh. This beauty is confusing me. What? Kira now takes the camera from me because woohoo! Beauty is I just finished my makeup, slaps, period, and I'm about to take my 100k pics, okay? Listen, honey. Oh. Ooh, love this angle. a little bit dark. Okay, vlog, I'm gonna have to use this camera, okay, because I'm looking snatch here. Oh wow, I was here coming thinking I was looking cute, but my hair is looking mad messy. Anyways, the Tegbejes are the ones that set up their Christmas tree and their Christmas decorations. 2 days to Christmas. But yeah, we're doing this anyway, and yeah, shout out to Tulu for being a good sport, because at this point as at today I'd given up. I was just like, you know what, I had too many bad experiences. First of all, RNF Gardens, you guys are my black book first, because these people said that they were going to give me a call. Didn't get a call, didn't see any missed call, didn't get a text. Well, you could have continued the conversation of, I will refund you your money, but nothing. And I don't feel like fighting dirty. Maybe I just wake up one day and I'll be like, yo, let me drag you on the internet. But right now, I'm just still in the holiday spirit and trying to bring from deep within. So yeah. Beautiful. Let me turn off the lights. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's actually the light in the back that's making it. Can you turn off that light downstairs? Yes. Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Eventually went back to our old Christmas tree, which it was my idea that was like, oh, I don't think we should use the old Christmas tree because we've used it for 2 years. I just wanted something fresh. But anyways, the stone the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. Okay, so let me show you guys the tree that I'm talking about. So this was our old Christmas tree, and just because we like very artistic things, we decided to, it was like a random tree that we just painted white, and we just always will have like balls and whatever on it. So yes, we're going to install everything now, but the tree is actually dead. You see, it is actually coming off, so it's starting to tilt to one end, but let's see what we can do. Hey guys, so today's Christmas Eve, and look at my hair. My hair is really bad. Like my hair, I need to wash my hair. I have so much buildup of gel and got to be glue. So I need to quickly rush to the salon to wash my hair, and I'll have my hairstylist come to the house to do like a ponytail. I know I said ponytail. To do a ponytail, I know my hair's really short, but I'm gonna try it again. Okay, I told you guys I was gonna try it in December. Those that follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna do a ponytail situation, and it's just classic me. Like the tree is not up. Tolu has done his part of his of his Christmas decoration. I haven't done mine. The tree is not up. I couldn't do it last night. I was just so distracted. I've been trying to edit all morning. It's just so much rush, and it's giving me anxiety, and I just want to relax. So what am I gonna do? Find out. It's me, dears. It's me. Look at my hair. A pony girl. A pony. What? Please?
Queen of Pony.
Queen of Pony.
Yeah, no.
Queen of Pony. How dare you? So we are done with the hair. He attacked like a very tiny pony situation here, just so. Why not?
It's the situation.
I know, tiny situation. Because I was like, oh, I don't want anything. He was like, no, let me attach something. I was like, all right, cool. I won't object. Why would I say no to being a ponisha? But yeah, I really like it. I'm about to be in a durag for the next 24 hours because listen, I can't hear. Oh, it was springing up. Can you guys see what happened? This is that hot comb situation though. Can you guys remember last week that the hot comb burnt my head? Look at it. Babe, My hair is so cute. You will love it. Thank you, Dave. Let me show you. Dave, come. So this is Dave,
Hi.
my amazing hairstylist. Show them your face. So his Instagram is Dave Classic, right?
At Dave's_classic.
At Dave's_classic. I'm gonna put
at the end.
K at the end. I'm gonna put it in the description box. So if you're in Lagos, you need a hairstylist. He's such a sweet soul, and he has a bright attitude, and I like people that have like positive energy. So yes. So guys, we finally finished Christmas decorations. I love it. You can't really see this one, and I think that's because it is very bright, but let me show you. Ta-da! It's so beautiful. Tolu did this one. I really love it. We normally have it at the curtain, but it looks so good here. Just got a package from Lounge Style, a hamper rather from Lounge Style, and I'm super excited. This is my actual first hamper this entire Christmas. I've gotten gifts but not hamper. Wow. Lounge Style, you're a rock. It's time to open this bad boy that my client and friend sent to me. Okay, so we have some shortbread. Oh, we have some diffusers in here. We have some bold sweets here. Tea. Gourmet popcorn. Yes. So this is like a gentleman's soap. Game room. Solitaire. Oh my goodness. Oh, a wine glass. That is so nice. It's a frame. Oh, this is so cute. So we just came to get some stuff from the celebrations. Oh, the sun is doing amazing things. Thank you, baby. In this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. Okay guys, I feel like I've not even had time to say Merry Christmas. Wow, it's amazing. I can't believe that today is Christmas. It feels so good. So I woke up early, I opened my presents, and now I'm just trying to cook jollof rice. We're actually not doing anything this Christmas at home because I feel like the last 2 years we've been hosting Christmas, like our friends will come over and things like that. So this time we're actually going to our to Tolu's brother's house for Christmas, and then after that I'll go to my brother's house as well, or we'll go to my brother's house. So I'm making jollof rice. Hey guys, it's been a very hectic day. I showed you guys I was cooking. So I spent like majority of my or most of my morning cooking, and I'm just trying to do my makeup now and head out. I know I said I was going to do Christmas glam, but I'm doing a very soft makeup look today just because I'm already like really tired. Okay, I'm liking this coverage. Oh my god, I have stew on my outfit. I don't know why I thought it was okay for me to wear white pajamas to cook jollof rice. I love my ponytail, new earrings that my girl Wendy got for me, and this dress is from Nasty Girl, this purse is from Nasty Girl as well. Let me just try to show you guys what I look like, even if right now it's quite dark. But this is the vibe. Okay. Let me show you guys the yummy jollof rice I made, by the way. Can you see that? So this is the jollof rice that I made. It looks messy now because I covered it, but yes. Christmas Day in the city of Lagos. Still looks like every other day. First, ooh, that's some, ooh, damn, ooh. Okay, so the first half of our trip is done. I'm looking cute today. So please, you have to help me do an OOTD. I need to show them my outfit of the day. Hi, mommy. Merry Christmas. Where's your own Christmas dress now? See, Orona is wearing her Christmas dress. Where's your own? Mommy! My boy! Just casually looking so rich and cool.
In my mizu.
In your mizu? Wow! Roland, then let me see my sister now. Let me see her without you. Let me. Max, hey, calm down.
Hi, my name is Roland and I love you, Mrs. Camera.
You got jokes.
And it's so
Why did you fall down now?
good to be here with you, and I love you so much, and it's good to see you, and I really need you so much. I need you so much. It's really good to see you. I really need you. The camera, nah. I even need you so much. So much. Bye.
Bye. Nini.
Say hi to my friend. Hi. Bonnie, say hi to my friend. Auntie Dodos, is it you? Auntie Dodos, is it you?
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and oh my God! So you wear a crown. So you wear a crown. Just don't see Roland's crown like a. Why is your own like headband, Roland?
I don't understand.
Are you sure it's not too small? It's not actually Tolu's head. That's the reason why. Tolu's head is too big.
I didn't even try. Crown.
That's because you already suspected that maybe this thing will not fit into this head.
Ready, set, go.
So I received this package from my braiders. Basically where I do my hair. Can't wait to see what's inside. They sent me a gift voucher, a braiding gift voucher, and then they sent me extensions. Oh my goodness! Wow, that is so amazing! Yay! I'm so excited. Ah, this is my new year hair. Oh, that's lovely. And oh my goodness, a box of amazing goodies. So cute.
A bicycle? Whoa. You've seen it. Wow. Did you say thank you to daddy and mommy?
So excited! Yeah, actually the sweetest. My favorite languages.
Who?
Honey, bye.
Wait.
Oroma and Oceane are my favorite
your favorite languages got you this way.
Can I be a family member now? Can I change my surname?
Oh my god.
You guys.
So Faye has something to say.
I just want to say that I have the bestest friend in the world, and you guys should be jealous.
Voila, for no get friend.
Voila, oh no, get best friend. Oh, Faye, love you.
Love you more. Thank you.
Oh, emotions, my heart.